Tectonic with the ticker Tonic, one of the most bullish DeFi projects in the space. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'm back with another banger, with some more bullish content for you guys. In this video, we're having a bear trap right now that's taking place. The broader markets are correcting. Bitcoin is going through a correction, and it is causing the same thing that happened to Tonic's price. So we are down right now by 7.62%. It's just a bear trap from my opinion. I don't think we're gonna go all the way back down, guys. We're just gonna have a correction because Bitcoin was on a run to the upside. After the correction, we continue up further. The only thing that could stop us now is a black swan event, some type of negative news in the broader markets that could bring us down further. But from my opinion and from what I've seen, this is just a short-term correction for us to continue up further. My name is Joven, guys. We're gonna go through some of the recent news on Tonic in this video. If you're interested, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers, Tonic fam. Be sure also to check out my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts. Right now, Tonic's watch list is sitting at 30,234 people. That number just keeps growing. The community of Tonic keeps growing. We're sitting at $22.38 million in market cap. So even with this little correction that we're having, we're still up in the monthly of Tonic, in the weekly of Tonic, guys. Volume up $1.7 million in volume, up 151%. That volume is absolutely insane, guys. And if you look at the 7-day, like I said in my previous video that I posted earlier, we were moving up further. Then we had a retrace, because if you compare it to BTC had its correction and retrace as well. But you could clearly see that Tonic is highly correlated. Now, any catalyst, any type of news for us to continue up further and expect Tonic to continue its bullish pattern that we've been seeing on the 1 month. Tonic is in the blue. The blue line is Tonic, guys. Expect the bullish pattern to continue. Now, I know a lot of the bears are expecting us to go super low from here. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, guys. I can't honestly tell you. I just think it's a short-term correction for us to continue up further, but we'll see what happens. Take a look at this chart right here. Let me full screen that for you guys. This is why I say this is just a short-term correction, and then we continue up further. This is the DXY, the US dollar index. Remember, when the DXY is dumping and it retraces and breaks down, as you guys can see, it was on this support line for the longest, right? And it recently just broke this support line, so it's just downwards for the DXY. It's just tumbling for the DXY, guys. That in turn makes the stock market bullish, S&P 500, the Nasdaq. Then it correlates to Bitcoin and Ethereum. They become bullish and continue up further, and that then in turn correlates to Tonic. So the more the DXY dumps, as you guys can see from this chart, the more Tonic pumps to the upside, the more Tonic moves to the upside, guys. I'm telling you, this is one of the most bullish altcoins in the space, because look at how it's performing in comparison to BTC. It literally had its move up 100% before BTC had its move, right? And then it's been correlated to BTC on the 7-day, right? This is also something you have to take into account when it comes to altcoins like Tonic with a smaller market cap. When they have a smaller market cap, the potential to outperform the top market cap projects, you have much more potential and exponential growth from small cap projects with great fundamentals, right? So I'm telling you, we're putting that fun, we make sure highlighting that fun in fundamentals for Tonic, okay? Tonic fam, Crow fam, Tonic is absolutely gonna crush it in the future. I have no doubt in my mind about that. All you have to do is DCA and be patient. because the future is bright. From X-Tonic, thank you beers paid for with Tonic rewards and utilizing the TonicFi vault that lend and borrow your way to financial freedom. So X-Tonic is scooping up a even bigger bag because of the retrace. Smart thing to do, right? And he's accumulating with his APY in the vault, already getting DeFi rewards because he's using the vault for Tonic, guys. Now from Sam Crypto. Now here is someone who gets it. Man, absolutely crazy stuff. From Stress Free World, Tonic, should I add more or it's a waste of money? Thank you for your opinion. Stress Free World sitting on that $7 billion bag. That's a nice bag of Tonic right there, guys. From Rybo, very nice bag. Mr. Shadow Main, vaulted, smartest thing to do. And then we have from DMO, utilizing the chart from Richard, and you can see how his bag will translate into the future. Around $1,000 in the bag, you know, the future potential 50,000, 500,000. Hey, can't rule it out, guys. From Alfonso, it's the waste, just go ahead and send me your Tonic. Nice joke there, Alfonso. From X-Tonic, vaulted. Sam Crypto, the more you add just raises the more you receive. Not financial advice, but seems like a no-brainer. Fact. That is absolutely fact. JIV, might as well make it a round number. 10 billion Tonics scooped up. Hey, I wouldn't be mad at that. It's all up to you. The bigger the risk, the bigger the bag gets. Not financial advice. This is how you approach crypto, guys. You always manage your risk, but in order for you to see those life-changing gains, that financial freedom, that level of wealth, you have to take higher risk, right? I'm not a financial advisor, guys. NFA, as always do your own research. But yeah, the more risk you take in the space, the more chances you have for more upside. But the opposite is true. The more risk you take, the more chances you have to lose, right? So be careful out there, right? But like I said, with Tonic, the potential is so great, but I still say manage your risk, guys. I still say that. From Upper Dogeline, get ready to load your bags when prices come falling down even more. Elon Tonic. Oh man, he has Elon and Tonic. I was thinking about covering Elon on the channel as well. I definitely check that out and, you know, see what you guys think. From PD Productions, wow, Tectonic has over 1 million volume. We are climbing. This is just the beginning. That's what I'm saying. That was absolutely bullish to see that we have so much volume that is going on right now. Interaction and engagement of Tonic just keeps growing, and it just keeps, you know, getting larger and larger. Every time I make a video and cover Tonic, I'm seeing so much growth that is taking place. It is absolutely bullish, guys. I'm telling you, this is super bullish. This is a great project. From Charter X, just 6 more HS please, and it would be exquisite. And he's swing trading Tonic. Hey, there's traders out there. There's people that buy and hold. But man, this is so beautiful. This chart is great. Look at this bullish pattern. Now, obviously, there's gonna be corrections along the way. But look at this move to the upside. And I really do believe after these corrections, we're just gonna continue that pattern to the upside, guys. Really am super bullish on Tonic. Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you made it to this part of the video, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.